Hey guys, today I'm going to unbox the second car from the McLaren Super Series. That is the McLaren 720S. This replaced the McLaren 650S and it was revealed in May 2017. This was produced from 2017 to 2023. This was later replaced by McLaren 750S with even more power. This is a high-performance sports car with 4-liter twin-turbo V8. It is a rear mid-engine rear-wheel drive car and it has 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 3 seconds. It has a carbon monocoque chassis, proactive chassis control suspension system. It weighs around 1419 kilograms for the coupe, and there is also a convertible option. So let's unbox and see more details. So let's unbox the car. So the name 720S is because it produces 720 PS of power, that is 710 horsepower. There we go. Here it is, and we have the McLaren P1 and the latest McLaren W1 on the side. We'll look at more details in the close-up. So LBWK is a Japanese aftermarket automotive company. This is basically a wide body kit that fits the 720S, and it has different elements that increases the aerodynamic downforce of the car. It adds the front splitters, rear splitters, even the side skirts, doors, and the carbon fiber hood, and also some elements under the floor. They use fiberglass reinforced plastic or dry carbon fiber to make it lightweight, strong, and corrosion resistant. And you can see the wheel arches that are widened, and there are spaces to extend the tires from the center of the car. So this is a really wide car, and for comparison we have the McLaren P1, and you can see how fronted the wheel arches are, and you can see different liveries there. The hood is entirely of carbon fiber, and since it's a premium Hot Wheels car, it's a metal car. You can feel the hardness of the metal here, and from the downside we can see LBWK McLaren 720S, made in Thailand, 2024 metal. Feels very sturdy, and the wheels are also quite different. The front wheels are narrower than the rear wheels, and from this side you can see the line of channel for the air to go through. These details actually increase the aerodynamic downforce and efficiency of the car, and we have a small wing there. From the back we see rear diffuser, and you can see exhaust pipes right here. It's really well detailed car. This is from the Silhouette series, and this LB is the LBWK logo, and you can even see a small ring for a pocket of air, and the roof is glass, fiberglass. It's a really well made car. Let's do a 360. Again we have the trinity of McLaren cars, the P1 in the middle, the W1 in the right, and the McLaren 720S in the left. So that's it for this video guys. Hope you really like this unboxing. Thank you for watching.